In Windows 11, we can update our video card drivers. I'm going to go to the search box and type in Control Panel, which of course is still on our Windows 11 computer. And I'm going to go to Device Manager and go to my video card by going to Display Adapters. So here we see Display Adapter, and we can see that it's the GTX 960. And if I go to the driver, it shows that it's a few years old, so we need to update that. So here's what we need to do. We need to open up our web browser. Since it's NVIDIA, I went to nvidia.com, and now what I need to do is go to where it says drivers you see at the top. Now I'm going to go to locate the correct one. I know it's a GeForce. And I've changed the drop downs to match my card. So I've got the GeForce 900 series, so I chose that. And this is a little bit of an older card, so it's sometimes going to be a little bit more difficult to find what you're looking for. But here it is, GTX 960. Now we see that the operating system is set for Windows 10 64-bit. And I've got Windows 11, so I'm going to change that to Windows 11. Now I'm going to go to where it says download type. So the only one you're really going to find is the game ready driver. The other option is the studio driver. Now even though I'm only using this to create videos, I'm not actually using this particular computer to do any games, I'm still going to choose the game ready driver anyway because that's going to be my only option. Nothing shows up if I choose the other option. Now here we see that the operating system supported at Windows 10 64-bit and Windows 11, which only now comes in 64-bit. And we can see that the date is going to be a lot newer than my 2019 one because it was made in 3/22. So I'll click download. And now the file is going to download, and then we'll choose to install it. Now there's a couple of options that we can do when it's ready to do the installation that I want to show you. And one way is the traditional way, which installs everything. And the other way can just install the drivers without all the extra fluff that you may not want. Keep in mind that the date is 2019. And here is my file, which is from 2022. So I can double click on it, and then it'll start the installation. And take a look at this extraction path. So what I want to do is I want to copy that path because this is going to keep me from having to install all the different options that I don't necessarily want. So I'm going to copy that path right there. Now I'm going to click OK, and now what it's doing is it's extracting all those files to that location. Now if I want to go ahead and install, and when this is done, I can go ahead and use the wizard and just choose next until it's done, and then I'll probably have to reboot in some cases, in other cases I won't. And then the driver will be updated, but you'll also end up with a bunch of extra programs that you may not necessarily want. And here we have the options for the wizard. One is the graphics driver in GeForce Experience. Now some people like to have that GeForce Experience, and this is a similar thing with other video cards where you get a bunch of different applications that kind of tell you what your frame rate is and things like that. Or you can just choose the graphics driver, which should only install the graphics driver, but sometimes it still puts in more than maybe what you want. So what I can do is I can go and paste in what I copied earlier. And here are all of the files. Next, what I want to do is I want to go into my control panel once again, back to Device Manager, and I want to point to that location as where the drivers are going to be located. So I'll go back to Device Manager, and then I'll right-click on my display adapter and choose Update Driver. I'm going to choose Browse My Computer, and I'm going to paste in that same location. Make sure the Include Subfolders is checked as well. Click Next, and now it's searching for drivers in that location, and it says it's installing them. You may notice your screen flickering a couple of times. That's just part of the update process, so don't let that upset you or concern you. And like I said, in most cases you won't need to reboot, but in some cases you will. And there was the flashing that just happened to me. So I'll click Close, saying it was all up to date. Now take a look at my drivers. It says the driver date moved from 3/19 to 3/22. That is how we update our video card drivers in Windows 11.